Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to hide a field based on conditions in Odoo. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 15 community edition where we are continuing our Odoo 15 development tutorials. So in the screen you can see we have opened the patient's review, and if I open the patient's record and if I click on edit, you can see we have added a couple of new fields to the patient's record. Here you can see I have added a new field called parent, marital status, and partner name to the hospital dot patient model. So if I go to the PyCharm, here we have the OM hospital module, and if I open the patient dot py, so here you can see this is the patient model, and here you can see I have added a three new fields. Two of them are character field, one is parent and another one is partner name, and another one is a selection field with values married or single, that is marital status. And I have added the same field to the corresponding view. So if I open patient view.xml, here you can see to the patient form view I have added a new group called other information, and inside that I have added this field, that is parent, marital status, and partner name. So what we will be doing is that we will be seeing how to hide these fields based on some conditions in Odoo. So here we have a parent field. So what we will be doing is that suppose if the age of the patient is greater than 18, we don't need to get the parent information from the patient. That is, we have to collect the parent information from the patient if the age of the child is less than 18. That is, from if the patient is a kid who is having age less than 18, we have to collect the parent information. So what we will be doing is that we will be hiding the parent field if the age of the patient is greater than 18. So let's see how we can achieve the same in Odoo. So what I will do is that I'll go to the PyCharm, and here we have the parent field. So in if I need to make it invisible always, we can simply add invisible equal to 1. So I hope you know that invisible attribute, that is without any condition, if I need to make it invisible always, we can simply add invisible equal to 1 along with the field name. So simply I have added an invisible equal to 1, and if I upgrade the module, you won't see this parent field. So let me go to the apps menu, and if I upgrade the module, and if I open any of the patient, you can see the parent field has been invisible, but it's not based on condition, it's always invisible, but we have to achieve based on condition, that is based on this age. So just understand, if you need to make it invisible always, simply you can give invisible equal to 1 along with the field definition. So right now I have to give based on some condition. So if you need to hide it based on some condition, we have to use attrs equal to, so this is the formula, this is the syntax, attrs equal to, then we will be writing a dictionary, and as a key of the dictionary I'll put invisible colon, then here we have to write the condition. So here inside this how to write the condition. So when we have to hide this field, when the age, the value of the age field is greater than 18. So here I will write as follows: age greater than 18. So simply I have written a condition like this, invisible, inside attrs, which is a dictionary. I have written the key as invisible, and here we have to write the domain when the field has to be invisible. So it will check inside the square bracket, we are writing a tuple. So inside the tuple I have specified age greater than 18, that is if greater than 18, this will return 1, then invisible equal to 1. So let's see what happens if I upgrade the module right now. So I'll go to the UI and I'll upgrade the OM hospital module. So I'll click on upgrade. So you can see the module has been upgraded. Now first of all what I'll do, I'll open the record where age is 12. So if I open that, you can see the parent field is still visible. So if I take a record, here you can see the age is 20. And if I open that, you can see the parent field has been invisible. Now let me adjust his date or adjust his date of birth to 2000, where I can put 2010, so that the age will be less than 12. You can see when the age is 12, the parent field has been visible. Now if I change his date of birth to 2000, you can see the parent field has been got invisible. So this is how we can hide a field based on condition. So right now we have considered only a single field, age, based on age. Now if we need to consider one more field, like for only gender male, you have to hide this one. Then you can add one more condition, that is right now we have hide the parent field based on age. So there might be case where you have to hide based on multiple fields, like maybe for only gender. So in that case, what you can do, you can put comma, write your next tuple. So inside next tuple, I'll check gender equal to, for which gender we have to hide, when gender equal to male. So if you check the gender field, this is the key, male. So what I'm saying is that we have to hide this field only when age is greater than 18 and gender equal to male. I have given two conditions, that is age must be greater than 18 and gender must be male. So let's upgrade and see what happens. So if I go to the apps menu and I'll upgrade OM hospital module. So the module has been upgraded. Now if I open the first record, you can see field is still visible. And let me take a record female. So here you can see it's visible. And if I take female, it's still visible. And if I take a female with age greater than 22, so here you can see the field is invisible. Now if I change this to female, the field will get visible, because here age is greater than 22, the condition is satisfied, but gender is not equal to male, so the field will not get visible. So we have added age must be greater than 18, age is greater than 18. So one condition satisfied, and the next condition is gender has to be male, but unfortunately this is female and still the field is visible. Now if you change it to male, the field will get invisible. So right now it applies AND operation, like it should be AND operation between these and these. Now if you need to implement an OR operation, like either age greater than 18 or gender equal to male, if you need to perform OR operation, you can put a or over here. This is the simple. So if you add like this will perform an OR operation between age and gender. So this is called as Polish notations in Odoo. So if you just search for Polish notations, you can see a lot of samples. So if I go to the UI and let me upgrade the module. So I'll upgrade the OM hospital module after making the conditions as OR. And if I come back to that female record or male record, here you can see the field is invisible because the age is 12 but gender equal to male. So even if I change to gender equal to female, gender equal to female, okay, let me take another example that's confusing for me because of the given sample. So we have to give either age has to be greater than 18 or gender should be male. So if I come here, gender is male, so it has been age is greater than 18 and it is gender is male, so it has been invisible. Now if I change to female, still the field will be visible because the age is 22. So if I change age to less than 18, you can see the parent is visible. Now if I change to male, the field will get invisible. That is or operation between the first one or the second one. So I hope you understood how to hide a field based on condition in Odoo. So if you have any doubts, feedbacks, or suggestions, don't hesitate to share with us over the email, that is odoomates@gmail.com, and feel free to connect us in the social medias like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and also follow us in GitHub. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.